We're here today at the Amerika Gedenkbibliothek hosting an event on open and regenerative technology and cultures, where different members are presenting and showcasing their work.
So what I'm doing now is creating a platform where we share kind of like the Sparkle Lab methodology and pedagogy with librarians, with heads of Makerspaces and Fab Labs. Public school and private school teachers are free to use them. And the idea is to empower them to create wonderful learning experiences and to share best practices with one another.
Think of it like this, like if I want to build a electric car tomorrow, but I can start by doing simpler things. I need to know CAD for sure. I need to know microcontrollers, yes. Do I want to use repair? I can do a module on repair. I want to learn about a module on solar panels. I can do that. So I can learn different modules and continue to build my profile, not just at one makerspace, maybe at a couple of them. And that's the idea, to be able to grow at multiple of these spaces possibly.
The event is meant to be a place where people from the Berlin communities can connect with the Global Innovation Gathering and learn what our members are working on in the areas of education, of health, of ecological sustainability, and hopefully be amazed by the wonderful work that our members are doing.
We started by doing repair, and we started training young people. We started this in the refugee camp in Rhino Camp. At first, I was doing repair as a means of survival, but I never knew it is so much to the environment. But when I joined networks like the Right to Repair movement, the Gig Network, I came to learn so much about the importance of repair.
For us, maybe repair is not just about fixing broken things, but it's about reclaiming agency, reprogramming systems, and rethinking our relationship with materials, time, and value.
We'll continue to do maker stuff because we love it, but also because it is relevant to the impact that we want to bring into the world.